Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE. Let's get started. Design and build. The Galaxy Tab S10 FE keeps it premium with a sleek aluminum unibody design. It feels sturdy yet surprisingly lightweight for its size, perfect for productivity or streaming on the go. You get a 10.9-inch LCD display with narrow bezels, flat edges, and a symmetrical design that's very modern. And yes, it still comes in fun colors like mint, silver, graphite, and lavender. Display. Now, while it's not an AMOLED panel like on Samsung's flagship tabs, the LCD display still shines. You get a resolution of 2304 40 pixels, and it supports a 90 Hz refresh rate for smoother scrolling and animations. Performance. Under the hood, the Galaxy Tab S10 FE is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor, paired with up to 8 GB of RAM and 128 or 256 GB of storage. That's expandable via microSD up to 1 TB, something most premium tablets skip nowadays. It's running on One UI 6 based on Android 14, with Samsung promising up to 4 years of OS updates and 5 years of security patches, which is great longevity for a tablet in this segment. S Pen and productivity. One of the standout features? The S Pen is included in the box. It's not the Bluetooth version, but it's still super responsive, magnetically attaches to the back, and supports pressure sensitivity for sketching or note-taking. Pair this with Samsung DeX mode, and you've got a mini laptop on your hands. With a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse, you can run a full desktop-like experience, perfect for students, writers, and light professionals. Also, apps like Samsung Notes, Clip Studio Paint, and GoodNotes run beautifully here, making the Tab S10 FE a strong choice for digital artists and note-takers. Battery life and charging. The Tab S10 FE houses an 8000 mAh battery, which easily gets you through a full day of mixed usage. Whether you're binge-watching or browsing, you can expect up to 12 hours of screen time on a single charge. It supports 45W fast charging, but here's the catch: no charger in the box. You'll need to buy that separately if you want to juice it up quickly. Camera. While tablets aren't known for cameras, the Tab S10 FE includes an 8MP rear and a 12MP ultra-wide front camera. Great for video calls, online classes, or scanning documents. Thanks for watching.